type of foreigner do you like? Caring and mature.
Yes.
Why? How old are you?
I am currently 23 years old po.
And single, right?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
I am single since birth.
You're very busy. What type of foreigner do you dislike? What type of foreigner do you like?
Um, my type of foreigner I like is caring, family-oriented, and also lovable. That's fine.
Lovable. How about what type of foreigner do you dislike?
Um, who being talking like very rude or like have attitude bad attitude like that.
You're single, right?
Yes, I'm single.
How long have you been single?
1 year.
A year. This is her second time here, and I'm so lucky to see you again. How old are you?
24.
24. What type of foreigner do you like?
Oh, Italian po.
Like pasta.
Yeah, I like pasta. That's why.
Okay, when we heard Italian, the first thing that comes to my mind like spaghetti, those.
Carbonara, my favorite. That's why. That explains why.
Italian. How about like the attitude? What matters here?
Oh, I'm very affectionate. So preferably, I also want someone who can show their affection or caring.
Mhm.
Yeah.
How about physical?
Oh, I like tall guys, taller. Since I'm tall, so much taller.
How tall are you?
I don't know. Probably 5'4".
5'4". Okay.
I'm
Can you look at
5'4", so
Okay.
probably 6 or above.
Oh, like basketball heights, basketball player. Like an Italian tall and someone who is like sweet, right? You mentioned?
Yes.
Okay. How about what type of foreigner do you dislike?
Um, I don't know. I don't look that much po in terms of parang dislike.
So you don't really have any.
Yes po.
How about attitude? Attitude of a foreigner that you it seems like like red flag or something.
Mm, I don't think it's about nationality, but for me, the red flag is those people who are not affectionate or caring to their family or not family oriented as a whole. Since I'm family oriented, so I like also guys who are close with their parents, to be specific.
Okay. Okay, I see. Well, Filipinos are really like we're well known as a family oriented. Okay, I see. Anyway, how about if let's say this is just an example, okay? Like the Italian guy, what if he doesn't want to get married?
I I think that's another issue. Since I want to get married, I want to have a child, so that's a big deal for me.
Okay. You're in college, right?
Yes po.
What course are you taking?
BS psychology.
What type of foreigner do you like?
For me po, I am more into white guys, like specifically po yung mga Koreans, si drama, ay Chinese guys because ang hobbies ko po is manood ng mga Korean and Chinese dramas.
It's because she said that her hobbies is watching K dramas. Okay, so that's why you like those type of men.
Yes, yes po.
Okay, white men.
Specifically, like,
Okay. Okay, how about like in like attitude or something?
for me po, sa attitude naman po, very important po yung attitude. I like yung parang caring na guy,
Caring guy,
yes, caring guy, and yung mature guy.
mature, caring and mature.
Yes.
Okay. Why? How old are you?
I am currently 23 years old po.
And single, right?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
I am single since birth.
You're very busy. Are you working or you're still studying?
Yes po, I am currently working po.
Where what job are you if it's okay with you? What job are you working?
I am a disbursement officer.
That's cool.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what type of foreigner do you dislike?
Those who smell bad like that. Because one of my pet peeve po is like smelly guys or hairy guys.
Oh, smelly or
Without
hairy.
yes po, without proper hygiene.
Let's say those men like Korean or Chinese, they don't want to get married.
Um I think it's okay po since for me lang po kasi yung mother ko po is single mom, and for me okay lang naman po yung live-in without proper marriage, and hindi naman po talaga sa akin issue yung marriage.
Okay, so for her, it's not marriage is not an issue since her mother is a single mom, and yeah, it's fine for her. Live in or just be in a relationship without marriage, it's fine with her. That's interesting. Right? Other than that, what else? Just because your mom is single, you want to be single as well? Like, I mean, not married?
Um as what I have mentioned a while ago po, marriage is not an issue for me as long as we love each other.
The majority of our viewers, subscribers are from USA. We have like from Canada, from anywhere, Western countries. And then how about like would you consider dating one of them?
For me naman po, yes, I would consider dating one of them since what I have mentioned a while ago na yung important lang po sa akin is yung proper hygiene talaga.
So she would date because the only thing that is important for her is the proper hygiene. What type of foreigner do you like?
Well, actually, I don't have any preference. As long as he's nice and like clean looking, it's fine with me. So yeah, I don't have any preference.
Okay. How about what type of foreigner do you dislike?
As I told you, I don't have like preference or like no hate to any country or like to any race. So yeah, as long as they fit the standard, I go for it. I go for it.
Okay. She's like a happy person. How about, I mean, you're single, right?
Yep.
How long have you been single?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay. And you're a student, right?
Nope, graduated.
Graduated.
Fresh grad.
Okay, so you're working now?
Yep.
Thank you so much for having this interview with us. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections